Hello everyone, today we're replacing the engine air filter on my 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X with a 3.6 liter engine. But the same exact filter is also used on the 2 liter turbo, 4xe and other JL Wranglers. This is one of the easiest maintenance items you can do on your Jeep, but it's also one of the most important and often overlooked. The air filter protects your engine from dirt, dust, and trail debris. All you really need is a Phillips screwdriver or an 8mm socket, which is what I'll be using. An extension also helps reach a couple of fasteners more easily. I'll list the correct filter part number during the video and provide links in the description below. And if you would like to see the actual factory service manual pages, torque specs, and procedures, check the pinned comment or description for instructions on how to access them. And here's an interesting fact. The older JL Wranglers that use the same 3.6 liter Pentastar engine actually use a smaller air filter. When Jeep redesigned the Wrangler for the JL platform, they standardized a larger airbox and filter element. According to an engineer I spoke with, the redesign improved airflow restriction, filtration efficiency, dust holding capacity, and overall surface area. That larger filter now supports multiple engines across the JL lineup. The larger filter gives the engine two key advantages. First, more airflow capacity. The increased pleated surface area allows higher airflow before restriction begins to rise. Second, greater dust capacity. A larger filter can hold more dirt before needing replacement, which is especially important for off-road driving. One final useful tip before we actually change the filter: as filter loads with dust, filtration efficiency can actually improve slightly. Because the dust layer helps capture small particles. That means a slightly dirty filter can sometimes filter better than a brand new one. That's especially helpful since the JL filter has significantly more capacity than the older JK filter, giving it more surface area to hold dust before restriction becomes an issue. Of course, that's only true up to a point. Eventually, airflow restriction becomes too high, which is why the filter needs to be inspected and replaced. So how often should you change the engine air filter? The factory service manual says to inspect the engine air cleaner filter at every oil change. And if the vehicle is used in dusty or off-road conditions, replace the filter sooner if necessary. For example, if you spend a week off-roading and following other Jeeps through clouds of dust, it may make sense to replace the filter after the trip. The maintenance schedule lists replacement at around 30,000 miles under normal conditions, but inspecting it during every oil change is a good habit to keep. Today we're going to replace the air filter, which is located right here on your Jeep. Part number for the new air filter is 68257030AA. And here it is. And to take off the cover to replace it, you have 4 8mm fasteners here that we're going to use a socket for. So we're just going to use an 8mm socket and one here on the clamp, which is also 8mm. So 5 fasteners. So here we go. And you don't need to take it off, you just need to loosen it, and then the whole cover will come off. Okay, and once you loosen it up, you should be able to just take the cover off. And this should just slide right off, just like that. Okay, and there's your filter. And here you can see how clean this is compared to this one. So yeah, it's time to replace it. And so to install it, we just take it like that and put it right back into the housing here. Okay, and then we're going to slide this back onto the housing, to the hose here. And if you notice, there's a little notch here and a notch here. So this notch has to go right in between these two tabs. Just like that. You can see that's in there. Now we're going to just tighten up all the fasteners together with the 8mm. And that's it. Once we've tightened the 5 8mm fasteners, we're done.